චණ්ඩි පැන්ඩා සමට සූදු බවට ඇමරිකාවෙන් සහතිකලත් එකම විෂබීජනාශක සබන්.
Districts of Jaffna, Kilinochchi, Mullaitivu, Manna and Vavuniya are affected by heavy rainfall which battered the regions over the past few days. The brunt of the inclement weather, however, was felt in the Kilinochchi district with many low-lying lands, houses and roads still submerged by floods. The Sri Lanka Army was seen working around the clock to restore damaged infrastructure in the area. Meanwhile, a group of officers from the 572 Brigade of the Security Forces headquarters in Kilinochchi conducted a rescue operation to save a group of stranded farmers. Even though many lives were saved, currently 7,850 persons are residing in 24 camps in Kilinochchi district alone.
Many of the people who are housed in these camps depend on donations and relief by the army and the public. I'm thankful to Manusadderana for being the first to come and report on the situation here.
Adadharana visited a relief camp which is set up in Kandavale Mahavidyalaya in Kilinochchi today. In the meantime, the Disaster Management Centre says that out of the 20,737 persons who are affected in Mullaitivu, 3,365 people currently reside in 13 relief camps in the district. The situation in the north shows no signs of abating, especially with the Department of Meteorology saying that showers or thundershowers will continue in the northern and eastern and north central provinces.
Showers or thundershowers will occur in the northern, eastern and north central provinces. Showers or thundershowers will occur elsewhere over the island, particularly after 2 p.m. Heavy falls of about 100 millimeters can be expected at some places in the central and Sabaragamuwa provinces and in the Matara district. Fairly heavy falls above 50 millimeters can be expected at some places in the western province and in Jaffna, Mullaitivu, Manna and Galle districts. Misty conditions can be expected at some places in the central, Sabaragamuwa and western provinces during the morning. There may be temporarily localized strong winds during thundershowers. General public is kindly requested to take adequate precautions to minimize damages caused by lightning activity.
උතුරු පළාතේ කිලිනොච්චි මුලතිව් ප්‍රදේශවල
Areas of Kilinochchi and Mullaitivu in the northern province are places with some of the highest number of unemployment. Even if the floods recede, I believe that we should continue to provide relief. During the last flood, many Tamil people living in the north extended a helping hand to the people of the south. Therefore, I see this as an opportunity to spread the message of national reconciliation between the north and south by helping each other in a time like this.
Meanwhile, issuing a communique today, the President's Media Division said that a decision has been made to provide compensation between 10,000 to 250,000 rupees to those whose houses have been affected by the inclement weather. Furthermore, compensation of 40,000 rupees will be given to those whose farmlands have been affected by floods. Manusaddarana has come forward to provide relief to those affected by floods in Kilinochchi and Mullaitivu. Despite it being Christmas Day, members of the public have been visiting our headquarters to drop off donations since morning. You too can be part of this initiative by dropping off relief items at Adadharana headquarters located at number 320 TB Jamawatha, Colombo 10. If you wish to know more, you can contact us on 078 3838 383.